crazy,
Alright, man, I know what time it is. I know y'all been waiting for this video for a long time, man. So let's get right to it. I'm not even gonna waste y'all time. We're gonna make this video real quick, real simple. So if y'all follow my channel, man, y'all see that picture that I posted in the community post not too long ago, like a couple days ago. It was a post with, I mean, you couldn't have missed it, man. It was one of the most legendary posts on earth, man. One of the best gaming consoles was in that picture, man, along with one of the best man-made vehicles, man, on planet Earth, like the Hellcat, man. So if y'all haven't seen that, man, go check out the community post, man. I got a picture with 5 PS5s with the Hellcat, and that photo just looked crazy, man. Like, it just, you got one of the top beast V8 cars, man, that photo, plus one of the best systems out right now, man. So 2 crazy hype beasts in one photo, man. It was just too much for the world, man. Everybody was going crazy when they seen that photo. But anyway, let's get right to it. So if y'all did see that photo, man, it was a 5K giveaway. So pretty much at the time, I think I was like under 1,900 subscribers. I'm like 1,940 right now, so we close to 2,000 subscribers, right? So what I want to do for the people that's following my channel, man, has been rocking with me, keeping it real, man, just all around, being supportive, man, honestly. So what I want to do is give one away. So I want to give 2 away, but we're going to start with 1. To win this giveaway, we got to get to at least 5K subscribers, right? Now, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I'm not going to make it super easy. So I'm going to give y'all till, I think, that Monday of Christmas week. I'm going to give y'all, so pretty much 4 days before Christmas, right? I'm going to give y'all 4 days before Christmas to get this PlayStation 5, right? So get us to 5K subscribers, man. I'm gonna give away a PlayStation 5. Now, because I know that's kind of a stretch because we only had 2K. I know y'all could do it though. Just keep sharing these videos, man. I know we could get to 2K. We know we could get to 5K before Christmas, right? So if we don't get to 5K before Christmas, right? This is what I'm gonna do. At 10K, I'm gonna give one away anyway. So even if we don't hit 5K by Christmas, I'm gonna give one away at 10K anyway, and that has no limit, no nothing. As soon as we hit 10K subscribers, I'm gonna give away another one. Now, if y'all do happen to hit 5K subscribers before Christmas, I'm gonna give 2 away. So I'm gonna give one away at 5, right? And I'm gonna give another one away at 10. So that's 2 potential PS5s that somebody might be able to win. So one at 5 if we hit 5 before Christmas, another one at 10. If we don't hit the 5 before Christmas, I'm gonna give away one anyway at 10K. So that's 2 opportunities, right? And just so y'all know, ain't no games being played, because I don't play games, y'all. I'm gonna give away these for free, flat out free. No money, no nothing. So there y'all go. There's 2 of them bad boys right there. So I did not keep a personal. I don't want a personal. I am a fan of Sony, but I am not keeping one until probably next year, until they get all the bugs or whatever out. I'm just so stuck on Warzone, man. I'm not really looking to play any of the new games yet. I ain't gonna lie, that new Spider-Man look hard though. It looked crazy. And also that I heard The Last of Us was crazy too. But let me go ahead and do this real quick so we could get a quick little pic of the car, so I can get my thumbnail actually. So let me know what y'all think about that, man. So pretty much all you gotta do is be subscribed, and to enter the actual giveaway, you have to comment either done or subscribed in the comments, because that's the only way I'm gonna be able to choose from the winners, because this program I'm gonna use is gonna pick pretty much one of the comments. So if you don't comment on the video, you're gonna be asked out. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, you're gonna be asked out. Here come a police officer too. I wonder what he want. Let's see if he try to bother me. Nah, he ain't bother me, he cool. So let me switch the camera. Yeah, I don't know what they was doing, but pretty much let me get this little angle a little better for the photo. So I'm gonna put one right here, maybe right there. Then we're gonna put this one maybe like here. Is that good? Nah, I think I had it like this. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. All right, so pretty much there y'all go, man. Boom, 1, 2. Now, again, to win one of the PlayStations, right? You gotta comment you gotta be subscribed, and you have to comment in this video. So, just drop a comment. Don't matter what the comment is. Drop a comment in the video. I will be giving away a PlayStation at 5K. Now, we gotta hit that 5K before Christmas because I want this to be a Christmas gift for somebody. If we don't hit that 5K by Christmas, I'm gonna give one away at 10K anyway. If we do hit that 5K, right, before Christmas, I'm gonna give a second PS5 away at 10K. So that's 2 opportunities you could possibly win, right? And they're for free. I'm not gonna do a raffle where I gotta put a buck in or go buy something. But these are gonna be completely free, right? So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I did sell a couple. So that way, the money that I did make paid for these. So that way it is completely free. So because I'm not gonna charge you guys anything. Like I said, I'm not gonna do a raffle. There's not gonna be, hey, you gotta go to this website, this way, buy a merch or something like that. I'm not gonna do that. These are gonna be completely free. All y'all gotta do is be subscribed and comment in this video. So I'm gonna pick a winner probably like I said, that Monday of Christmas week. So that gives y'all like, I wanna say 2.5, maybe 3 weeks to do it, to comment on this video, share the video, get as many subscribers as we can. Who knows, even by Christmas, bro, honestly, like I'm an honest man, bro. If I feel like giving one away, I'll just give it away. Like we don't have to hit 5K, but my goal is 5K. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. My goal is 5K. Everybody's staring at me mad weird. My goal is 5K. So if we get at least 5K, I'm definitely giving one away. Even if we get close to 5K, I might even just say fuck it and give one away, honestly. Just because like it's some people out there, man, that really do deserve one that didn't get a chance to get one. I don't know how it is. I was on the grind for them too, believe me. So it is hard for sure. But also, if you're watching this video, Walmart is also doing a giveaway tomorrow at 3 p.m. So I'm gonna make sure I post this video before that so you guys actually get to see it. They're posting one. They are doing a launch for the digital model. Oh yeah, so if y'all don't know, there's 2 different boxes. There's a white box and then there's a black box. The difference is one is digital. These ones take the CD. So these ones cost $100 more. These are $3.99 compared to the other ones that are $2.99. But Walmart is doing a restock on the $2.99 ones tomorrow at 3 p.m. So if y'all want to maybe get a chance to grab one of those, make sure y'all hit up Walmart. Target is doing a random restock. Best Buy is also doing a random restock, but they are doing it before Black Friday. So make sure y'all stay on those websites. Just keeping a look at them before Black Friday because they doing pre-Black Friday launches because they don't want the stores to be crazy. They don't want the websites to be crazy and shutting down and stuff like that. So, but that's pretty much all I got for y'all, man. Hopefully, y'all like this video. Good luck to the winner, man. I promise y'all, I'm gonna give these away. What I really want to do is the winner, I want to possibly maybe drive down and hand deliver it. So that's what I want to do. But obviously, if there's a winner in like California, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna just ship it to them, yada yada. If it's something close, 4, 5, 6 hour drive, I might hand deliver it to the winner. That's what I want to do and make a whole little vlog with them, yada yada. Get a little open box with them and shit. Play a couple games maybe, but we'll see what happens. But that's all I got for y'all today, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. And make sure y'all comment on this video so y'all got a chance to win one of these P5s, man. But that's all I got for y'all, man. I'm out. Y'all stay tuned, man. Stay positive, stay motivated, and stay safe, man. I'm out, man. Peace.